Here's a certified 2016 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. EcoTech 3 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, Apple CarPlay, and rear park assist. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Have it your way for price, selection, and service at Mulkin Chevrolet Cadillac. We're conveniently located at 3 Marmon Drive in Nashua, New Hampshire.